how to do Kapalabhati and when to practice. So first thing is when to practice. Kapalabhati must be done in the morning time with empty stomach. And how to practice? So what people do common mistakes during Kapalabhati. First they are squeezing the face muscles like this. And second mistakes, they are moving the whole body. And third mistakes, they are hunching the back. So make sure when you do Kapalabhati, maintaining the spine straight. Dhyana Mudra. Spine long, and then concentrate on the third eye, your Agnya chakra. And then start.